So this is a touch wireless digital doorbell. The model is D-157. Works up to 300 meters away. It's waterproof. 20 Celsius to plus 50 Celsius operation. There's 36 songs and it just plugs in to power. That's what's inside the box and nothing really around the box. Cut that tape, open it up. Ooh, look at that, nice. So here is, oh, they even include a little screwdriver for you. So you got some double-sided tape, the screws and a screwdriver. Some nice included batteries, that's rare. And here is your little doorbell. So you can pop the front off right here with your screwdriver. And so that's the part that you'd use the double-sided tape for. You'd put this outside, somebody touches this, and then it rings this device. This it for the box. So this little device, which is also battery operated. So this device doesn't plug into the wall. So this one doesn't take any power. You put these 3 batteries in here. This has a watch battery in it. And these just essentially talk to one another completely 100% wirelessly. That's pretty nice. Let's stir it together real quick. All right, so we just take these here, down into here. So there's the different volumes and everything. Pop the bottom out of here, and then pull this tab like so, and put this back together. And now, and so there we go. Once you pull the battery on this, you put your 3 batteries in here. You can put this wherever you want in your house as long as it's within 300 meters of this. And then if somebody walks up, it's like you have a doorbell, a completely 100% wireless doorbell. So there we go. That'll do it for this doorbell unboxing and setup.